This next step, we really recommend you have somebody else to help you. One person can do it, but it's extremely awkward. So what we're going to do is we're going to position this opening over this opening. And right now we really just need to focus on this corner up here. You don't need to worry about making it perfectly level. We'll get it close here, and once we get it on the wall, attached at one point, we'll go ahead and level it up using our level. Start by doing all four corners. Now we need to position the magnets behind whatever it is you want to attach to the inside and hold in there magnetically. It comes with 2 magnets standard. You can order more, but this for my 1911, I'm going to position it in the center here. Once I got it where I want it, I'll take the magnet, attach it. So that is where I want it to go, right behind the barrel. And this is where it comes in handy to have an assistant. Hold the pistol in place. Okay. Now, since the 1911 has a steel pistol grip as well, if it were a Glock or something else that had a composite pistol grip, you'd want to have them both this way so they're behind the slide. But in this case, I'm going to put one behind the pistol grip. Pretty much the same method. So, there you are. And that'll hold the pistol in place.